wearable revolution is on, and we are bringing it to musicians for the first time. My name is Florian Simmendinger. In today's world, everything is smart.
And music technology should be too.
And that's the thing we are doing here at Soundbrenner. Our dream is to build really smart technology that will help you to become a better musician. And today I'm proud to present you the result of our journey, the world's first wearable device for musicians, the Soundbrenner Pulse. We are a company from Berlin, Germany. We are all musicians ourselves. When designing the Soundbrenner Pulse, our goal was to develop a product that will reinvent the way you make music. To make this dream a reality, we traveled all over the world to search for the right components. In Asia, we found the answer. So today, we use the most advanced vibration motors and drivers that are currently available in the world. They are capable to deliver a vibration that is so much stronger and more precise than anything you have ever experienced. For the past 8 months, we have been developing the Soundbrenner Pulse with engineers and factories to make sure we can deliver to you a perfect product. The Soundbrenner Pulse will be the most exciting music accessory that you have ever owned. So we are Soundbrenner, and now we need your voice to prove that the world is ready for a revolution in music technology. So pledge, share, tweet, like, and help us to make the Soundbrenner Pulse a reality. Thank you.